Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing today this approved used Land Rover Discovery HSE finished in bronze. This 2024 model comes with a 3-litre D350 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front matrix LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 22-inch diamond turned with gloss dark grey contrasting alloy wheels. When measuring to the roofline, there is around 1,000 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, allowing room for larger luggage items as well as a pushchair or golf clubs. There is electronic air suspension as well as a retractable loading bar, and the parcel shelf is adjustable and can be removed to allow room for the third row of seats when they are lifted up, and finally the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the light oyster and ebony Windsor leather seats with the matching interior. There are ISOFIX points located on these seats, and there is also electronic operations to move them when raising the third row. There's a fold-down armrest with 2 sets of cup holders as well as a rear climate control vent which does have controls for heated seats with 3-way power. Taking a look up front, we see the continuation of the light oyster and ebony interior with the highlighting accents on the dash and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are also electronically operated with lumbar support. Taking a closer look at the 4-spoke multifunctional 2-tone leather wrap steering wheel, we can see controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and on the right for the cruise control. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial as well as media and map options. Speaking of, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can connect to Bluetooth as well as radio with FM and DAB, and wirelessly paired to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and there is a camera icon which will allow you to bring up the rear view parking camera as well as 3D and satellite imagery. Below that there is a climate control panel which can also be lowered to reveal a secret storage tray. The climate control functions work with physical dials to make them easier to use while driving, including the heated seat options can also be controlled here. Below that there is a storage pocket for your phone with a USB-C port, and on the centre console there's a slide cover which can reveal 2 cup holders. As well as this, there is the button for the drive select, which when pressed will pop out and allow you to switch through different modes. And finally, the armrest can also be lifted up to reveal a deep storage pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Discovery HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.